the end of the last video, this is what we ended up with. We created a basic add note screen here, and we still have this hard-coded list on the side here for the notes. Now, by the end of this video, let me show you how the application is going to look and work. So by the end of this video, this is how the application is going to be looking. We've improved the look and overall design of the adding a note screen. We've also included the basic button here to add a note. And notice over here on the left-hand side, the list of notes has changed. And the reason is, in this video, we're actually going to be creating and connecting a data source that powers the whole application. So these two notes here are now coming in from a data source. And the beauty of this is with SwiftUI is it takes care of a lot of it for us. If I create a new note here, right, I'm going to put Swift as the language and just say this is my new note. When I hit the add button, we're actually going to be adding this new note to the data source. And what's going to happen is SwiftUI is going to realize the data source has changed, and any view that's using that data source is going to update. So in this case, when I hit the add note button, it's going to add it to the note list over here and automatically redisplay that list for me. So I'm going to go ahead and push the button, and as you can see, it's adding that in there. And I can do this multiple times since we're not clearing the screen right now. And as you can see, each time it adds a new note to the data storage, the data source says, hey, I've updated, and SwiftUI says, right, I know that this list here is using that view and I need to update that view. So it takes care of all of that for us. So this is going to be our first dive into data and how we share that data across different views in the application. So let's go ahead and get started.